In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to find the exact value of a function. So here I have in my y equals a function x cubed plus 3x squared minus 6x minus 8. Now let's first start off by graphing this. So here's my graph. And now that I have the graph of this, let's say, for example, I wanted to know what is the value of this function when x is equal to 1. Now to do this, we are going to go to our calculate menu. So you're going to hit second and then trace, and that brings up the calculate menu. Now you're trying to find a value. So that very first option there in this menu is the one you want. We're finding a value. Once you hit enter, then the calculator is going to ask you to give a value for x. So here, for example, I want to find out when x equals 1, what is the value of the function? So I'm going to hit 1 and then enter. And now it tells me that when x equals 1, y is equal to negative 10. Now let's say I put in a value of x whose y value doesn't end up showing on the graph. So for example, let's say I put in when x equals negative 7. We know x equals negative 7 is all the way to the left over here, but we also know that we can see that the graph goes off what we currently have for our window. Now, if I go ahead and calculate this value when x equals negative 7, you'll notice that even though we can't see this point on the graph, we do get a y value here, negative 162. Now on the other hand, if you put in a value for x, which is not part of this window, so for example, right now, we're on the standard window from negative 10 to 10 for our x values. Now if, say I put in 11, so second trace brings up the calculate menu, hit enter, and let's say I put in 11. Now 11 we know is too far to the right. Our window is not zoomed out enough. Now if I put in x equals 11, it's not that there actually is no value for that. We can absolutely put 11 into our function and get a value for y, but the calculator is not going to calculate a value for y. So I hit enter. You'll see it says error invalid. Attempted to use a variable or function where it is not valid. So because in this particular window for this graph, we're not going to be able to find that value. Now if I change the window, and there will be more on this in the changing the window tutorial, but let's say I just change the window so that we include 11. Now when I go back to graph and we see it has shifted a little bit over, if I hit second, trace, calculate the value, I put in x equals 11, now I have a value for that. So anytime you're trying to find the exact value, remember you're going to do second, trace, you're calculating a value, you put in your value for x. If that value of x is not included in the window, you won't be able to get a calculated value for y, so just be sure that whatever x value you're putting in, it is within that window that you have set.